In this video, we are going to cover the basic method of writing C program, which consists of function, pointer, structure, and files input-output. Function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Program execution starts with statements in main function. Additional functions created are called in main function. Function may or may not return single value to the calling program. Here is an example of writing a function outside main function. In the function definition is where you declare the return type, and followed by the formal parameters in the brackets. Function definition is where you declare the return type like integer, double, or character function. However, a void function does not return value to the calling program. Next, in function there are two types of parameter passing. Firstly, call by reference is where actual parameters are pointers. When you call the function in the main function, function can change value of actual parameters for call by reference. On the other hand, call by value, formal parameter receive value of actual parameter, and for this case, function cannot change value of actual parameter. Next, pointers. When a variable x, for example, is assigned a value of 34, it is stored in corresponding memory location with a positive integer address of 1000. Ampersand and asterisk are used in pointers. For example, when you declare pointer p, this means that you are declaring the variable as a pointer. On the other hand, when you assign x equals to ampersand w, which means x has the address of variable w. Example of the referencing. After you have declared in a variable a and assigned it with a value 10, and you equate it with pointer ptr, this is meaning that pointer ptr has a value of 10. Assigning value to a pointer, which means you equate p to the ampersand of x, which means p has the value of address of variable x. Next, we're going to talk about structure. Structure functions like an array, which store data of different types in a large amount. In structure, type is where members' names are written, which consists of different types of variables like name, weight, height are being declared. Next is how a programmer accesses into each member variables by using data dot operator. Files I/O. Data files can be used to store data. These data consist of a very large amount of data, and it can be either output or input data. Before you open a file and close it, you have to declare a pointer for the file. Next, fscanf is used to read data from file, where fprintf is used to write data to the file. This is an example of opening and closing a data file for writing. After you have opened the data for writing, You must check if the file is successfully opened, and next, use the fscanf statement to write the name and score, in this example, on the data file. After you have done doing it, you have to close the file, followed by the name of your file. And on this example is where you open the file for reading. Thanks for listening. Hope you guys understand the basic method of writing C program.